Hello everyone, I'm Richard from SIMBA, the folk who keep your bathroom from turning into a paddling pool. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your shower screen seal. Nice and easy. Quick, simple, no fuss. Let's crack on. Right here is what you need. A marker, garden shears, a tape measure, your SIMBA seal, and a clear threshold strip. That's your kit, nothing fancy. Step 1. Open your shower door. Sounds obvious, I know, but trust me, you will thank me later. Step 2. Time to ditch the old seal. Grab it by the U-shaped bit, the hard plastic part, and pull straight down. 2 things not to do. 1. Don't try sliding it off. You will end up scratching the glass, or it just won't budge. 2. Don't do this with the door closed. You will be like a walrus in the phone box. No room to work at all. Step 3. Give your shower glass a good clean. We're talking spotless, no soap stain, no fluff, nothing. Measure the length of the gap you want to seal, not just the glass. If your door has any metal fittings sticking out, like ours here, include those in your measurement. If not, happy days, just measure the plain old glass. Step 5. Get your seal ready. You should have 2 bits. The main bottom seal and the threshold strip, the backup dancer. Both work together to keep water where it belongs, inside your shower. Our SIMBA seals are made from eco-friendly PVC and certified with proper SVHC tests, green and clean. Mark your measurements on the seal with your marker. Hold the seal so the U shape face you and the fin points down. Then, snip it straight across with garden shears. If your cut isn't perfect, no worries. Use that end against the wall. Nobody will ever know. Now here's the tricky part. If your shower screen has any metal fittings sticking out like ours, it might block the seal from fitting right on. If you don't have any fittings in the way, feel free to skip this bit. If yes, here's what to do. Just trim a small bit off each side of the U-shaped channel. There is a metal fitting in the way, so we will trim off the side of the U-channel just that bit. Leave the bottom part though. It holds up the fins, so your seal still works. No need to measure, just eyeball it and snip. Step 6. Install your shower seal screen. Open the door and start from the wall side. Tilt the seal, hook one end onto the glass. Then bit by bit, press it in from bottom to top. Whatever you do, do not try sliding it on. It won't work, it's awkward. Step 7. Install the threshold strip. Nearly there, trim it to size, mark it, snip it with the shears. Now open and close the door a couple of times to help the fins settle in place. Then close the door fully. Peel off a small section of the adhesive backing and stick the strip just outside your bottom seal, right where the bottom fin touches. Happy with the positions? Then peel off the rest and press it down nice and firm. A final tip. Leave it alone for 10 hours before you shower. Let the sticky bit do its magic. And that's it, job done, leaks sorted. Time to enjoy your drip-free shower like a total legend.